Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall in the price of crude and a high of around 95 we have seen in the month of September of 23. Okay, and the price is still continuously down. If you look at the trend from 2020, what we have seen, the price was continuously moving upside, and similarly the trend has now creating a continuous downfall. That means around 2 years continuously it was high, and after that 3 years continuously down. If you look at this particular trend, what you can see that if the price started going below $63.48, there is a chances that we can see further fall. Why? Because this particular pattern is creating a U pattern. After that there is an upside, so chances are very high that as soon as the price started going below this particular level, we can see there can be a further fall and the price can fall below a level of $61.7. And if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, and if you look at this trend, a U pattern is being formed, so chances are high the price sustaining above this level, it can move above a level of $66.6, and from there it can move further upside. And this level is already weak, so we can see the price can rise up this particular level. And if you look at this particular trend, chances are very high that a further upside can be seen because this is the pattern is forming. Okay, and this level is already tested, so chances are high this level is already tested twice and this level is already tested twice. So now the price range in this particular level, so if it started sustaining this level, probability is high that we can see it can move towards a level of $70 if the price moves in this range. Okay, or if it started crossing this level, because we have seen this level is already tested, so we can see the price can cross this particular level if the price sustain above a level of $72. Okay, but if it started bouncing back from that particular level, so we can see if it started falling below this level, it can move towards $60.8, and from there a further fall can be seen towards $56.24. And if the price falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen towards below a level of 50, because if it is moving in this range, and then this trend can move further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail IDs also in the description, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, as I've clearly mentioned you that there is a chances that because it is moving in this range, if you look at this particular trend on a weekly basis, 4-5, you can say a month around, the price is moving in this range. So once the price fall below that level, chances of going below a level of 61.4, a further fall. But if it started going above a level of 66, we can see it can cross that particular level and further upside can be seen. Okay, as we have seen, the dollar index price is also going down. It is going below a level of 98, and chances of going further down can be there. It has already moved below a level of 96.3 if you look at the chart of dollar index. Okay, if you look at this, overall trend is downside, but it is quite volatile. Okay, so you have to decide your quantity, SL and target as per that. Let's see if the price sustain. If the price sustain, it can move towards 65.99, and this level is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level and it can touch a level of $66.3. Then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move above that particular level and it can go towards 67.9. Suppose if that sustain, we can see the price can rise towards 70.3, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move towards $72.4 and then further high. But if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 64.19, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 61.4, and that level is already tested, so the price can move further down. And yes, after that the price can move towards 59.6. This 59.6 is already tested, so the price can move further low, and yes, after that the price can go towards 56.6. and then we can see after 56.6 is a very important point. Keep that in mind the future also, and write it down somewhere, that if the price started falling below 56.6, chances are high that it can cross a level of 54.8, because that level is already tested, so the price can move further down and it can go towards $53.5.